why you're losing focus, and how to fix it. Let me ask you a question. Do you have any idea why it is so hard to stay focused? Distraction. You are constantly bombarded with a million things fighting for your attention. We live in the most distracted time in human history, and it's only getting worse. But here's the truth. You're not distracted because you're weak or lazy. You're distracted because you're untrained. Focus is a skill. And like any skill, you must practice it every day to become good at it. Bottom line is this: if you can't focus, you can't win, period. So let me show you exactly why you're losing focus, and more importantly, how to get it back. There are 3 major reasons you're losing focus, and each one is 100% within your control. Reason number 1, you're trying to do too much at once. Multitasking is a myth. Your brain is not built to juggle multiple tasks at the same time. What you're actually doing is task switching, and that comes with a huge cognitive cost. The fix? Work in focus blocks. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Pick one high priority task. Eliminate everything else. Email, phone, Slack, social media, get rid of it all for 30 minutes. This is a sprint. After the 30 minutes are up, take a short 10 to 15 minute break and then repeat. This framework will train your brain to enter deeper focus faster. Reason number 2, your environment is sabotaging you. You will never outperform your environment. Your phone, it's designed to hijack your attention. Your workspace, if it's cluttered, noisy, or chaotic, it's working against you. The fix? Build a focus-friendly environment. Silence your phone, or better yet, put it in another room. Use noise-canceling headphones. Organize your workspace before you start. Remember, high performers design their environment to support their goals, not undermine them. Reason number 3, you don't have clarity. Focus isn't just about effort, it's about direction. If you don't know what your most important task is, your brain will default to what's easiest or most familiar, not what matters most. The fix? Start every day by identifying your one big thing. Ask yourself, if I only get one thing done today, what will move me closest to my goal? Write it down. Keep it visible. That's your North Star. Let everything revolve around that. Let me give you a bonus tip. A mindset shift. Stop waiting for deep focus to magically appear. Start showing up like a pro and doing focused work even when you don't feel like it. Feelings are fleeting. Systems are solid. Train your focus like an elite athlete trains their skill, with discipline, consistency, and intention. So let's recap. You're not weak. You're not lazy. You're just not training your focus like a skill. Yet. Here's what to do starting today. Number 1, use focus blocks. Number 2, build an environment that eliminates distractions. And number 3, get clear on your one big thing. Oh yeah, and the bonus? Stop waiting for motivation and start relying on preparation. If you commit to these simple shifts, your focus will improve, your execution will improve, and your results will skyrocket. When you control your focus, you control your future. If this message hit home for you, please do 3 things. Number 1, like this video to let me know you're committed to training your focus. Number 2, drop a comment with your one big thing for today. And number 3, please hit that subscribe button, because every week I'm going to give you practical, no fluff strategies to raise your game. Let's stop reacting and start executing. Do you know of one event, team, or organization that would benefit from a message like this? If so, would you be kind enough to share this video with them? And encourage them to shoot me a DM on Instagram or LinkedIn, or better yet, fill out the contact form at alansteinjr.com so they can explore options on my customized keynotes and interactive workshops. Direct referrals from rock stars like you are the lifeblood of my business and are truly appreciated. And don't ever forget, a candle loses nothing by lighting another candle.